Have you been wanting to get Microsoft Office 365 but you do not have a budget for their annual subscription? Worry no more, because in this video I will share with you how you can get Office 365 for free and legitimately. Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu. Here I talk about educational technology, digital tools and trending techs. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to this my channel. Now let's dive into it. Okay, to begin, what I will do is to press 4 keys at the same time. What are those 4 keys that I need to press to start using Office 365 for free? They are Control, Shift, Alt, Windows. Once I press these keys together, Microsoft Office 365 is going to load for me to use it free of charge. Look at it. Here we have Welcome to Microsoft 365. So you can use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint and the rest of Microsoft Office Suite program. So if you want to start to type your documents, all you need to do is to click what? On Word. So that is blank document. If it is PowerPoint presentation that you need to do, you can click it from here, or if it is Excel, you can start from here. You can as well choose a particular one so that it will show you the templates associated with that. Look at it for Microsoft Word. Look at the templates available. But anytime you see diamond symbol here, it means that that template is not available for free. That is the difference between this free version and the premium version. So in the same way, you can choose Excel and work with Office 365 online. You can choose PowerPoint, any of your choice, anything you want to create. Whatever you create here, you can save it online. If you watch this screen, you can see that I signed in into this application using my Microsoft account. So if I click on this, which is a blank document, it's going to open and show me a blank document. So as you can see, it is loading. So it doesn't matter whether you have Office installed in your computer or not, except that if you have Microsoft Office installed in your computer, it may load the one you have in your computer. But in a situation where you don't have any Office installed in your computer, it will open for you to use it online, and it is 100% free. But what you have is a 5 GB storage space. So if the computer is not yours, you can download your application, you can download your file and use it offline, or copy it in a flash drive and take it to any other computer that has Office. But this is how to access Office 365 online. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel as a way of supporting me. Also give this video a thumb up so that YouTube will show it to others. Use the comment section if you have any question. Kindly check the description box below for another interesting video. Until next time, keep learning.